Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on we have a 2011 Honda Fit, and we're going to go over how you replace these light bulbs. This is your blinker light bulb. This is the high and low beam light bulb. So it's a double element bulb inside there. So if you have one or the other out, you replace the whole light itself. It's not you don't replace two different bulbs, just one whole bulb. And then right here is a parking light slash clearance light. And we're going to go over how you replace all of these in increments. All right? So that's the headlight assembly explained and where the lights are. And we're going to go ahead and go how you'd replace the high and low beam headlight. It's a one element light, or not one element, there's two elements in the light, but it's one light that does both, right? So to start with, there's a little rubber grommet here. Well, first, to start with, just pull this electrical connector off the back. You can just pull it straight back and unhook it, right? Then you can pull this rubber grommet off. Just kind of work its way out. And in here, it's a little spring. You just push it and move it up. See this spring here? That's what holds it in. And then just pull the light straight out. And like I said, there's two separate filaments. There's two separate filaments in this light bulb that make it work for the high and the low. And so if either one of them is out, of course, you just replace the whole light bulb. This is classified a 9003 light. And so you'll get a 9003 light to put a new one in. Do your best not to touch this light element, especially with your bare hands. Wear some good clean gloves, but you do your best not to touch this element, because you will drastically reduce the life of the light bulb. But to put it back in, you're going to want to put it up into this orientation. You've got this tab up top to slide it in, and essentially when you get it down into the housing, it will only really sit one way and then it won't turn. And then you take that spring and just you push it in and then push it down, and then you'll put the rubber grommet back on, and then push the 3-prong electrics on, and that's how you would replace the headlight on your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.